Hello everyone, thank you for coming back, and I just received my Your Creative Studio stationery box, and I want to open it with you. First of all, I see a different color from last month, so it's brownish, and this beautiful looks like dark purple terracotta color. And there is a beautiful thank you card signed by Amanda. So let's open this. Woo! Wow, so many things. So let's see. Stickers, retro stamps stickers. Let's open it. There are 3 sheets of stickers. Very beautiful, quite vintage style. Ooh, this is cute. Or as they say in Japan, segoi. There are little stamps with numbers from 1 to 0. I'm going to use this one very much. I don't have numbers. Oh, what is this one? Masking tape, of course, yes. I don't know if I want to open it. Shall we open it? Yeah, let's open it. I don't want to break anything. Why I never want to break anything. I'm going to keep these 2 labels for my next journaling. Because what I do now is I have a little box where I put things every day, whatever I find around, or any memory or anything. For example, in my next journaling, I already have few tea bags and a couple of labels from something I bought. Okay. Just really want to open it. Wow, this is a little bit tough. Oh, that's beautiful. So yes, it's masking tape. It's not washi tape. The difference is the washi tape is like proper tape, and masking tape has got these plastic things. This is very beautiful. I really like it. So let's see what's next. I can see many things. Something passport. Let's see. Of course there is a theme. I can see a theme of color and a theme of vintage. What is this? Stickers? Cards? I don't know. Let's see, what is this? No, this is paper, and they look like checks, vintage checks, which is quite I'm quite surprised, and because the other day I was thinking of designing a Japanese receipt book and Japanese receipt books as well, and this will just remind me of that idea. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this one for, but for sure I'll use them. We have sticky notes, passport sticky notes. Let's see. Okay. I might use them for my the letters I have to post. Let's see. Masking tape. So this month everything looks like brown, which is not exactly my favorite color. My favorite color is red, but be sure that I'm going to use everything anyway, because there is always a way to use something, especially these beautiful things. I wouldn't know how to call this kind of designs. There are like leaves, like grapes. So let's see. This one looks like a notepad, and I love notepads. Let's see. Okay. Yes, more than a notepad, it looks like something to use for layering in the journal, junk journal, bullet journal, or whatever craft you do. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, stamps. Ooh, I love stamps. I really rubber stamps, not stamps. And I love stamps as well. So I love everything. Wow, these are so beautiful. I don't know if you can see the designs. I will take different pictures later. Some of those who escaped death in Titanic disaster. Perfume, 36 votes over opponent. I am not sure. I hope good luck. We will. Okay, this one looks like a little map. I will take all little videos later of every item. Ooh, this is cute. These are for sure your creative studio own designs. Someone is at the door. Just a second. Beautiful. Really matching with all the colors here. Okay, what do we have here? We have some stickers. Let's see what kind of stickers are here. Okay, these stickers are a little bit stuck together. Okay, they are stuck together. Oh, that's a shame. Okay. Okay. Charcuterie. Okay, these are a little bit ruined. Oh, I like this card. So we have some stickers with the faces, vintage decor. They look like pieces of tape with panoramas and pieces of vintage paper. What is this? This one looks like the top of a building. Okay, and then we have another little sticky note, retro sticky note. Retro memories, it says. And this is paper. This one is paper. Is this one paper? Yes, it's paper. It's a little gold foil. I don't know if you can see it. Gold foil bits, and this one as well. The time I kill is killing me. Okay. The time I kill is killing me again. And this one. Okay, well, there were lots of stuff where it was the box was packed of beautiful things, and overall I like it. My favorite bit was, I think, the stamp, the rubber stamps, the numbers rubber stamps, and this one. I didn't. Thank you very much for hanging out with me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.